Y'all, these Rams with the blackout and the F-250 Super Duty trucks with the Lariat Sport package, to me, are a hit. Come a lot with the black appearance package overall, black wheels, and you level it with some 35s. It's a game changer. Love the way this one looks, guys. Bought right here at Akins and Winder. Got a 2-inch level kit and 35, 12.5, 20 Ridge Grappler tires. Looks great. Good look at that hockey puck style built aluminum spacer. A simple, easy add-on. Do a little tire swap and you're good to go. This is a 2500 bright white clear coat. Good look at the rear. Body color bumpers also. Leveled on 35s. And versus the Ford 35s on a level kit, to me, look better. It just is more proportional. You don't have as much gap or clearance in the fenders versus the Ford trucks. So love this one, turned out great. Why Willys at Akins.